boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. As you know, today I'm on location. I did promise you subscribers out there, and you're going to hold me to it, I know. I promised you that if Medmen went under $1 USD, that I would be making a visit there, and I'd be talking to management and finding out exactly what's going on with some of us that are in that stock and our investment, and just asking some questions and seeing what's happening. Well, it's gone below $1. This is the second day, and today actually it's crashed below $1. It's down like 20% or so. So you want to confront management. You want to ask them what's going on, what they know, which these co-managers and managers at these offices, they really don't know a lot. So you just try and talk to them, and they are aware. And the employees I talked to, this is my second location today for Medmen. Everyone seems to know what's going on. It's not a secret or anything that they're in a little financial hot water. Some employees told me, well, I've been here the whole time, and I hope it works out for us, and I hope there's no whatever you want to call it, there's no no loss with a lot of people. Neither Medmen here in Las Vegas expects anyone to be laid off. So no one's been laid off yet, and they expect it to be management cutting the fat. You know, we've been reporting on this for a while. We've been on Medmen for a while. In July, can Medmen use more Med money? Remember that story there? You can look at the video. Before that, we had gone to Phoenix. I believe it was in maybe July, August. Medmen will spend big dollars building out Phoenix locations. Remember we talked about that. We were looking for them to spend a whole lot of money building out those locations. They may or may not be complete. We know Scottsdale is complete. We haven't been out there looking around. But what I'm catching, my friends, is Medmen was overzealous, of course, with their spending. You remember the parties. We reported on the parties. We reported on the $1 million homes that managers and supervisors or what have you, people were buying they were using our money, basically, is what I was saying. They were buying houses. They were having these big parties, these lavish sports cars. You know, what do you need a car costing that amount of money? And we've reported on this stuff. It's nothing new. It shouldn't be anything new to my regular subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that red button, and we'd be happy to have you on board. You can share my videos anywhere you want to. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there, my friends. Thank you for you people that have my back. Thank you very, very much here. But there's a lot going on here with Medmen, and this particular one right now that I'm at is kind of in a construction zone. We're doing some work around the area, but you kind of know what's going on here with the company, and there isn't a capitulation bottom, I don't believe, right now. It's just 20% down, and I just wanted to read the news to you. So you guys know I'm an author, researcher. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a money manager. My books can all be found on Amazon.com. You get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. Any of the books you want, my friends, I can get the audiobook for you today. So just let me know, and I can get it, and you can have those particular companies, my friends. U.S. marijuana retailer Medmen to slash staff, sell off assets. Now, Medmen Enterprises, U.S. marijuana retail chain, announced Friday afternoon that it's cutting more than 20% of its staff and looking to sell some of its assets, amid a cash crunch. Medmen said it would lay off 190 workers, scale back marketing and outsource functions such as human relations, and in an effort to reduce spending on selling and general administrative costs to an annual rate of $85 million. In the fiscal year that ended June 29th, Medmen reported general and administrative costs of $244 million and sales and marketing expenses of $27.5 million. Medmen also announced that it has agreed to sell its stake in Pot Focus Real Estate Investment Trust for $14 million exit various venture investments for a net return of $8 million, and will look to sell certain operations and licenses in states that are currently deemed not crucial to the company's retail footprint.
I hear you.
Medmen also will slow down certain planned activities, including indefinitely postponing some retail build-outs and some expansions and renegotiations to previous acquisitions to turn $15 million cash payout into $10 million in stock and slow down M&A activities. Medmen said that at the end of fiscal year that it had less than $34 million in cash and equivalent after burning through $45 million in a year, and that included several financing activities. Medmen over-the-counter shares have lost more than 65% of their value in 2019. My friends, Medmen is like a lot of the companies in the industry right now that are going through a cash crunch right now. There's been a dumpster fire in the whole industry. They were at one point in time one of the darlings of the American market. There were people talking about Medmen going to $100 a share. My friends, it can turn things around, but I don't see it turning things around probably not anytime soon. They are strapping their belt right now. They are going to make the cuts that are necessary, so they say, according to the press release. We will be getting over to Venice Beach again. We'll take a look at the Venice location. If necessary, we'll also be getting over to Phoenix, and we'll be getting also over to Florida to take a look at those operations, my friends. As you know, I call Medmen the tea god, basically, of the South. Capitulation today? I don't believe so. You do have companies hit hard today, like Canopy and Aurora, some of the big dogs, so you can imagine what some of the smaller dogs are doing. Suniva, the CEO, has been relieved of his duties or quit or was fired, whatever you want to call it. The stock's been pretty much cut in half. It was this morning. There are industry problems, and they need to be worked out, my friends. They need to be worked out. But with that said, my promise to come back to Medmen if the stock goes below $1 USD has been fulfilled. I want to thank you very much for supporting the scoop. Like I said, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, let me know you're out there. Give me a thumbs up, my friends. It's just me and security right now. Security's off camera. You can hear him talking from time to time. He's going to say, get your ass out of here, because there's certain situations that, and I will be doing that here in a second. But I did come through with that, and just check your portfolio. I will leave some links for you for the books at the end, and have a great day. God bless you and your family, my friends. Take care. Next video.